Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and assemble the Vevor F910 heat press, specifically when it comes to using it for cups, mugs, or aluminum pans or pots using these cylindrical attachments. So if you have any questions or you need to know how to use the other parts of this machine, check out this playlist up here that's on our channel, How To Video Channel, where we'll show you how to do it for plates, for hats, for t-shirts. We'll show you how to assemble all that, and then of course the cups and mugs. In addition, check out the other playlists on our channel and on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel for more videos on Vevor products, heat press machines, hat press machines, and great tools as well. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is grab these two Anvil looking things. One says above, one says below. The good thing to note is that one looks like a T and one is a block. They go like this. The arrows both go down. So this one is above, this one is below. The T goes on the bottom. Now, why does that matter? Well, because it connects properly with this and also with the lever, so you need to put them on properly. If you have any questions, consult the instruction manual. To set them up, it's really very, very simple. You put this on like this, take two of the screws, the long screws, and put them in like so. All right, then you're going to do the same thing on the top. When it comes to the top, you might need to remove these nuts because this has to go here, and you can see that doesn't fit with the nut. So let's unscrew that. Okay. And there we go. Now, the next thing we can do is add the lever. The lever has a very nice half moon cutout, so you can line that up with the bolt itself. First, though, you got to take one of these washers off. You want one washer on the inside, one washer on the outside. Same thing on the other side. Line that up. Grab those nuts. Turn them on so they're hand tight. All right, then we need the cylinder. Now, attaching the cylinders are all going to be the same. Whether you use the aluminum pot, put that on, or you use one of these mug attachments, 9 ounce, 11 ounce, 12 ounce. We're going to choose the 11 ounce. Why? Because it's the one right in the middle, so that's good enough. And they all go on the same way. Put it on like this. You can see there are a couple of holes. We're going to line them up with these smaller screws and attach it like so. Then we're going to swing this over, do the same thing on the top. That's going to line up with the above, and it's going to screw in exactly like on the bottom. All right, there we go. So it looks just like that. You can see there. Now what you would do is slide your mug in, your cup in, etc. Then we need to plug in the machine, and when the heat starts going, you can press your mug. So to get going on that, we got to plug this in. This cord has a little groove on here, right there on the top. That's going to line up with the groove in this bottom corner here, just like this. Then this slides over. You're going to screw this in, just like screwing in a cable in the back of your TV. All right, then we need power. Run that around. Plug that in. We get a beep. So now we can set up the temperature of the machine. Now, any of these are going to go on in the same way. You see they all have these screws. They would go on the below and on the above. You can do all of these interchangeably to do different sizes of mugs, cups, water bottles, etc. Any questions or comments, please post them below. I will do what I can to help you out. You can also reach out to Vevor Support or contact them through their website or Amazon listings. Now let's set up the temperature. Turn it on. You can see right now it's at 75 degrees, set for 20 seconds. To adjust this, you do so based upon the material. If you're pressing a mug, a cup, ceramic, aluminum, pot, pan, etc. So for now, we're going to pick a couple of hypothetical numbers. Squeeze, turn clockwise. That's temperature. Let's turn that baby up to 200 degrees. We'll wait. It'll get locked in. All right. Squeeze, turn counterclockwise. That's seconds. We'll turn that baby up to 60 seconds. Could be way too much for a cup. I'm not even sure. There are some specifications in here that you can use, but the parameters are vague, so make sure you know exactly what you're doing here. 40 seconds at 200 degrees Celsius, so you'd have to do the conversion there. But you can see it's heating up. In the meantime, feel free to check out the other videos on How To Video channel and on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel for more Vevor product videos. You can hear it's beeping at us. That means it's ready, so presumably you would have your mug and your graphic in there. Then you pull the lever down, and now it is pressing. It's counting down from 60 seconds. Then it will beep at you when it's finished. You can release the lever. I hope that you like this video. Do so by clicking on that like button below. In addition, hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. And be sure to check out the other videos. We got videos for this product on the heat press, the plates, the cap press. Again, these are interchangeable. We've also got an unboxing video that you can check out on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel, and there will be a review video for this product on there as well. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you can stay tuned to future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and I will do what I can to help you out. Thank you.